ऐसे ऐसे इमोशनल मुझको मैसेजेस आते हैं.
Okay.
They actually trended that.
चलो फिर करते हैं.
Yeah,
We should
that,
do one. I was also very lucky to collaborate with him, and to sing for that song as well. It was really awesome.
You mentioned in one of the interviews that you like to do maybe like a single for that matter.
I'm just sharing that I did share it with you, right? Because you write poems.
Right.
And you write really well, so I thought that it will be nice to share it with you. Hi guys, this is Shraddha Kapoor and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Alright, so we've taken a few questions from your fans on Twitter, so there are loads of them as well.
How nice.
So because I think that's something that they keep on. In fact,
I'm
I get
too
so
lucky.
many. I get so many. I'm sorry to interrupt
No,
once
no,
again. I
it's
get so
fine.
many of these tweets for this interview with you and Varun. I think it should happen at some point of time because they've actually trended that, and वो मतलब ऐसे ऐसे emotional मुझको messages आते हैं.
Okay.
They actually trended that.
चलो फिर करते हैं. We should do one.
And it's like, what do they call you?
Varshra.
Varshra.
Yes.
Varshra. So it's like crazy stuff that they have, and they keep on.
But
even Varun has seen it.
But I think we should, and I just want to add one more thing, Faridun. I feel like without the support of our fans and my fans, I mean, none of this, I wouldn't be here. So I can't ever thank them enough because they have been through, and they've been like pillars of strength, and you can see that concern and compassion in them. It comes from, it's not just as any other fan, there is a whole other layer to it.
Absolutely.
Which is they genuinely care and they genuinely feel for you when your films do well, when they don't do well, and they're like always there by your side. So
I think the real test is when the movies don't do well and then they still support you.
Yeah,
that's something which is the real
true.
test.
Very true.
Ji, so let's take a few quickly. This is Pratik from Delhi. Experience of working with Shahid Kapoor second time and how you find him as a co-star and human being.
Hi Pratik. It was amazing working with Shahid for the second time. I think he's one of the most amazing actors that we have in the industry, and he's also a friend. And I thought that after Heather, I was very excited to be on board of our film because not only is Batti Gul Meter Chalu so emotional, it's also got a lot of fun moments, and we're playing characters who are this time from a whole other, a different world. So it was awesome.
Alright, so this is Senisha from Durban, South Africa. Please collaborate with Arman Malik again. Sab Tera is beautifully amazing, still one of my favorites. We all are really waiting for you both to give us another masterpiece. Lots of love.
That's very sweet. Thank you so much. I was also very lucky to collaborate with him and to sing for that song as well. It was really awesome. I would love to. I would really love to pursue singing, but I want to do it when I can invest that kind of time into it, because aisa nahi ki I mean, I would like to rehearse as much as I can, and right now considering that I'm busy with the films that I'm doing.
And loads of them.
A few of them, yes. So singing has taken a bit of a backseat, but I think I will sing again soon. Yeah,
I think you should.
Thank you.
In fact, you mentioned in one of the interviews that you like to do maybe like a single for that matter. You like to maybe write as well, and you tend to write as well. So
yes,
that's something that you mentioned.
Yeah.
So
I've shared some of my. Haven't I shared something with you?
That I think you shared something else, but maybe I don't think that you want to talk about.
No, I don't. But I remember. I'm just sharing that I did share it with you, right? Because you write poems.
Right.
And you write really well, so I thought that it will be nice to share it with you. But with the rest of the world, I think in due time probably.
Great.
Yeah.
No, because the best part in Rock On 2 was that when you were hitting the higher notes, it's not easy. So that can only happen if when you've trained for it and you've like really practiced for that matter. So the higher notes came out really nicely.
Thank you.
This is Yash from Mumbai. Out of all the roles that you've played till now, which one did you find the toughest?
Hi Yash. So far, the toughest one. Can I say my toughest is yet to come?
That's great. I think that's the answer that Shah Rukh Khan will give. He always says that my next one that is coming next. He always says that.
I do feel
Kamal
like.
Haasan said that. I
think really?
That's a sign of. That's a sign. Yeah, absolutely.
Oh.
Pratyusha from Visakhapatnam. Which song would you like to dedicate for your fans? Can you please sing it for us? We love you.
Hi Pratyusha. Which song would I like to sing? Which one?
Anything that you think. Maybe from Batti Gul Meter Chalu. Dekhte.
I don't know the words for dekhte.
Maybe if you want, you can hum it if you want.
I'm just trying to think of something. Maybe something that I haven't sung before. Okay, I'm taking way too long.
No, it's fine. No problem.
Should we come back to this
later? Okay.
Yeah, I'll also think.
All right, this is @ the name is not there. @ we love Shraddha K from Visakhapatnam. Apparently, it's like some fan club or something like that. What advice would you like to give to your fans today who look up to you as their inspiration?
I think what I would like to share with specifically the really sweet young fans, the kids, the teenagers, I would really like to say that please follow your dreams and please dream big, and don't let anyone tell you that you can't do anything that you want to do, and follow it with everything that you've got. Dream big.
Great. Iftikhar Khan from KPK, Pakistan. After the success of Stree, don't you think that filmmakers should make more horror comedy or horror rom in Bollywood? So he's coined a new
horror rom.
Horror rom.
Wow.
The way rom-com is there, so he's saying horror rom.
Horror rom.
Or maybe it should be horror com.
Horror com, horror rom-com.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Something like that. Why not? But I feel like, the rules are, there are no rules anymore. I think that's so beautiful, isn't it? And there's so much hope as well, right? When films come and they challenge certain notions, right? These notions that are there, and when anything is trying to be boxed into something, and then a film comes and just challenges all those notions. I think it's such a beautiful thing. And with a film like Stree is a film like that, as he mentioned as well. And when I heard it, Faridun, I was in splits, and I was laughing so much. And just the way that even you said that, you reacted to the writing and everything, and I was just blown away. And I was like, I really, this is something so fresh, and I was like, thank God the makers want me in this film, and I really wanted to do something that is so different from anything that I've done before. So yeah.
All right, this is Muskan from Mumbai. Can we see you in a film with Ranbir Kapoor soon?
Muskan.
Like a few more people have that.
Muskan, I would love to be seen in a film with Ranbir.
I'm sorry to interrupt once again. There is another one from UAE, and all of us want a Ranbir Shraddha, or a Twitter calls it Shrabir collaboration. So already the other coin is.
These nicknames are so cute and
Shrabir.
funny. I've admired Ranbir so much since his first film. I think he's an absolutely fantastic actor, and he's someone who brings something so new to the table each and every time. So having said that, I would absolutely love to do a film with him, but I've not offered anything yet with him. So
okay.
Hi guys, this is Shraddha Kapoor and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.